All right, what do you get when you have a 2021 Chevy Suburban and a very oversized German Shepherd jumping around in the back seat? You get a shredded seat cover. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the factory seat cover and the headrest and put a new one on. It's going to take probably going to be a little bit quick tutorial, and I apologize if I miss anything. Got a lot of road calls today, and I need to get this done ASAP. Let's get to it. There's our seat here, and these are the headrests. This button just kind of tilts forward and backward. It has nothing to do with lifting up and down. And you see the back of the seat. This is all off. Apparently it was chewed up by a dog, so we got to put a whole new cover on it. Now the trick to getting these off is you got this armrest cover here that's going to need to come off. There's a zipper here, and when you undo this zipper, and you're going to see a hole right in there, which has a we're going to need a star bit to get in there to take that off. Okay, and once you loosen that bolt up, this will just come off just like that. You can see where it threads in right there. Now there's a lot of other videos that do show you how to take this off, but what they don't show you is there's a cable that runs under this seat on these that go to this headrest, which is not going to allow you to take this off unless that cable is disconnected. Underneath of this cover is this foam padding, and underneath of the foam padding is where you're going to see that cable running to this part of the headrest here. Now there's a cable in here, and it should have, yeah, there's some little clips here. Need a screwdriver to pry up on these little clips. Just popped it up with a screwdriver. Be very careful. You got this spring in here. Pop this one up. What you want to do, if you want to disconnect this cable here, so you can pretty much just pull up on that like that. Now that's disconnected. That'll come up with the seat when we pull that headrest off. You'll see these two black, they look like washers or whatever, pieces here. This is how you obviously tilt the headrest forward and backward, and a lot of people are probably pushing on this and trying to pull up and it's not working. Well, what you got to do is turn these. I'm going to push towards the passenger side. They turn and they just slide up just like that. Okay, we're going to put that one back on, and the same thing with that one. Now this is the seat that's all destroyed from a dog. We've already turned these and slid these up. Now when you look inside of here, you see that little chrome hoop right there, and it's going to be very hard to do with one hand, but you take a pick and stick it in that little chrome hoop. You want to pull towards the rear left tire, the rear driver's side tire. Pull on that and use your other hand to pull up on the headrest, and then go to this side, and you're going to find the same one underneath it there. Let's see if I can get to it. See the hook in there, and you'll pull on that one and pull up. You're going to have to keep one hand with pressure going up as you pull on that little clip on each side, and eventually you're going to be able to slide that. And once you have it worked all the way up, you should then be able to slide this up just like that. You can see it's still held on by the cable here. So we're going to feed this cable through, and there's your headrest. With all that free now, we can actually pull this off of this foam here. Pull the whole cover off, and when you get it started, you're going to notice if you pull up, there's going to be these little Velcro strips here. Just take note to where they are. They're going to be around, whoops, they're going to be around in different spots on this seat. One down here, and that's pretty much what holds it securely to the foam, and they're going to be in the same spots on the other side. Just want to peel them off. All right, and then you're going to see this little plastic channel here, which is holding it in these grooves. If you look in there, there's this little white clip. So you basically want to push up on that white clip and pull forward like that to get those off. Push up and pull forward, and these channels pop out. And you're going to have these channels all the way around here. Once you have all your channels disconnected, your seat cover is now free and ready to apply the new one. Now when you're putting it back on, don't forget you disconnected that cable under here. So you don't want to bind this underneath yet until you pull this foam up and reattach that cable in the headrest. But start with your first track on the seat, and you're going to see those clips. You're just basically going to line that black hole up to that clip under there, we can see it. Got one hand here, that white clip. Line the black hole up to it. I'm not really going to be able to show you this with one hand. But there's the clip. Line the black hole up with it and push the channel right in there. Then go to your next one. Clip it in same way. Then you can fold this over the whole seat. I got my 2 channels in. And you want to leave it a little bit loose here at the top because we want to stick our headrest in now before we secure anything else. And leave enough. You don't want to put it too tight up here because you need enough play to get in there and just reattach your cable really fast for the headrest. Slide our headrest back in, push down. There we go, we feel it click in. Okay, now just leave your black washers free for now, so you can have a little bit of room to pull this tight. And then you can go ahead and push these down in and turn them clockwise and lock them back in. We'll go ahead and reconnect our cable now. Push that down in there, and then you can close that up. This back channel here for this back flap, you basically just turn this and push it right down into that channel right there. So take it, you want to turn it like that, and then go straight down into that channel. When you actually turn this like this, there's a track, see that, inside of this. Alright, well, this is the bottom of the cover. This actually comes up once you have this turned down and snapped into that track. Well, this track here is going to pull up and sit inside of this track. Alright, so I got this seated firmly in there. Now this piece that comes through the middle of the seat, I'm sorry, the bottom of the seat, you're going to need to pull up on this and turn it down like that. And that is going to snap in inside of that little channel of this one that we just put in, that little piece I just showed you. So you're going to have to pull this as tight as you can, curve this under, and then try to slide this down into that track so that you get a seam like that. And you can see that's the finished look right there. Now you're going to start tucking in all your edges that you did the Velcro on and reattach them. Zipper up your sides and just screw your armrest back on, and that should be it. That's how you put the take the seat cover off and reinstall a new one on a 2021 Chevy Suburban. Alright guys, please hit subscribe below, give me a thumbs up. See you next time.